Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautifullove4ever, aka Tay. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and my AB8 Setting Powder in Deep Peach to set it. Now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette. And I'm going to take that orange shade and put that in my crease. And now I'm going to use that brown shade. I'm going to put that on the outer part of my eyes and into my crease as well. And now I'm going to come out and use that yellow shade and put that on my lids. First I'm going to cut my crease with my concealer, and then I'm going to put the yellow on top of that. Right here I just put down the yellow golden glitter that I had it for a while, so I don't know the name of it because it rubbed off, but yeah, I just used that. And then I just used that brown just to close off the outer parts of my eyes. Now I'm gonna use my Maven Beauty liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to use my AOA Studio Lash Glue and my Ioni Crisscross Dramatic Lashes. Now I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil, make sure there's no gaps, and also my Essence Mascara. Now I'm going to use my L'Oreal Moisture Filling Moisturizer. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. Now I'm going to use my Nars Pore and Shine Control Primer. Now I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. This is just to correct the dark spots on my face and neck. Now I'm going to use my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This is in 13 Chestnut. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon. I'm just going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. I'm just using this for some more coverage. Also, y'all, I put that blue and green eyeshadow underneath my eyes. I just didn't show it on here, but I did that as well. Now I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. I'm just going to use this to highlight. Just put this all the places where the light would naturally hit. Now I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. And I'm going to use the light shade to contour my nose as well as go around my jawline because it's lighter. And I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. And I blend out that concealer that I had, and now I'm just using my ABA setting powder to set it. Now for my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Now I'm using Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. And I'm actually going to take that orange and that brown and use that as my blush. And then I'm going to use that other color right there for my highlight. Now I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and my Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in Pumpkin Spice. Now I'm going to use my Cover FX setting spray. And that is it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this yellow eyeshadow look with glitter and a pop of blue and green underneath my eyes. Also, the Too Faced lipstick is nice. This is my first time trying it, so definitely try it out. If you're looking for a new lipstick, it's not drying or anything. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I do upload a short every Monday and a video every Friday. See you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.